And while living in this material world, like everything, our bodies, our minds are subjected to the influence of time. From that perspective, it really doesn't make so much difference whether we live a long life or a short life, whether we are happy or whether we suffer on this material plane, because everything is constantly vanishing. That is the mystical nature of time. All that exists is the present moment, and yet the present moment disappears as soon as it appears. You can't hold on to a single second. You can stop the clock, but it's not going to prevent you from getting old. How incredible. The most powerful force in all of creation is time. As we're sitting here, time is in the process of extinguishing the sun, drying up every ocean, pulverizing all the planets, and what to speak of our little bodies. Moment by moment, we are on a journey from a material perspective, an ever progressive journey to death. But the Srimad Bhagavatam tells, with every rising and setting of the sun, those who do not see the higher picture, they are one day closer to death. But for one who understands the supreme controller of time and our relationship beyond time, and who hear and chant the glories of Krishna, the Supreme Mother, Father, and object of everyone's love, with every rising and setting of the sun, we come one day closer to eternal life. When we see from this perspective, then yes, we can understand how Krishna is Suhridam Sarvabhutanam. He's the ever-existing, supreme loving well-wisher of every living being.